This is my new 3-quart stainless steel saucepan from Cooking Home. It has a mirror finish, exterior and interior. I tested the pot by boiling the water, and the lid handle and also the pot handle are very cool to the touch. I do not need any pot holder when I am cooking. This is my new 3-quart Cooking Home stainless steel saucepan. I am boiling water in the pot for a test run to see how it works. The water is boiling and I can hold the lid handle with no problem. It is cool to the touch. And also I can hold the handle of the saucepan, and it is also very cool to the touch. You don't need any pot holder. So the handle is cold. This also handle is cold and the water is boiling. I really do appreciate the pot. It works very good. I am going to pour the water. Pouring the water is drip free.